Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use coconut oil on your face and achieve a younger, radiant and glowing skin. Yeah, this remedy is actually for people with dry skin or normal skin. So if you have an oily skin, you are prone to breakout, then during the video I'm going to show you what you can do instead of using the coconut oil. So I'll show you exactly what to use instead of coconut oil. And yes, this video is going to be beneficial to any skin type, so do keep watching if you are interested in this video. Okay, if today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again, and also to share this video with your friends. Okay, watch my vlog videos. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, and I'm also going to leave it up somewhere here. Okay, so do head over to my vlog channel after this video and watch my last video. Okay, and without wasting any much of your time, let's get right into the video. What I'll be using for this is turmeric powder. We are going to be needing a bunch of ingredients for this, and turmeric is one of them. Turmeric has this skin brightening properties because of the curcumin that is present in it. Turmeric helps to brighten the skin. It has antioxidant properties. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which is very good when used on the skin. It also helps to get rid of dark areas and dark spots on the face. The next ingredient I'll be using is lemon. So either you make use of your fresh lemon or you make use of this store-bought lemon that is in a bottle. Either of them is good, but the fresh one is always better. Lemon here has skin brightening properties that helps to brighten up the skin and get rid of hyperpigmentation. It also helps to get rid of dark spots on the skin. Lemon here contains citric acid, which helps in balancing the pH of the skin. The next ingredient I'll be using is honey, and honey is a natural humectant. It helps join moisture to the skin, helps to plump the skin, and helps get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. Honey here, when used on the skin, provides the skin with a whole lot of benefits, which includes anti-aging and also soothing of the skin. The next ingredient I'll be using for this is coconut oil. Go ahead and make use of your coconut oil for this. Coconut oil is very good when used on the skin. It contains lauric acid and possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Coconut oil here helps to provide essential nutrients to the skin. It moisturizes the skin and also helps to minimize the appearance of puffiness around the eyes or dark eye circles. To prepare this, I'll get a small bowl like this. I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of coconut oil to this. The next thing I'll be adding to this is honey, and I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of honey, and I'll go in with half teaspoon of lemon juice. The last ingredient I'll be adding to this is turmeric powder, and for the turmeric powder I'm going to use about 1/4 teaspoon, like a little bit of it, and I'm just going to pour that into the bowl. And then this is what we have here. I'm just going to stir it up properly till everything is well mixed. After mixing all the ingredients, then it's time to apply. So to apply this mixture, I'm going to be using a brush like this. So I don't want to use my fingers because of the turmeric in it, but if you want to use your fingers, you can go ahead and do so. But I'll be using this brush here to apply it all over my face. Make sure when you are doing this, you are applying on a clean face. Turmeric stains, so be careful when doing this. Can you see what is happening? So I've applied this all over my face. And if you have an oily skin, please don't use coconut oil. You will just have to skip the coconut oil in it. If not, it may cause some breakout because of the coconut oil. So just go ahead and use the other ingredients without adding the coconut oil, and then you are good to go. And just apply the mask just the way I'm applying it now. After applying this, I'll go ahead and sit for 30 minutes for it to do its job on my face, after which I will go ahead and wash it off with lukewarm water. Remember to wash up with lukewarm water or warm water because of the coconut oil that we used in this treatment. So you can repeat this mask twice or 3 times in a week to get the best results, but don't use it every day. This is going to help plump, hydrate your face, brighten your face, and it's also going to help get rid of dark circles, dark patches, dark spots on your face. This mask is the real deal. Go ahead and try it out and let me know your result in the comment section. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and wait for this for about 30 minutes, wash it off, and I'll get back to you. So you see how easy that was to go ahead and try out this remedy, and let me know your results in the comment section below. I really want to know what you think about this and how it worked for you. You can also share this video with your friends for people that need it, okay? So share with your friends, give this video a thumbs up if you've not done so already, and also don't forget to subscribe on your way out. All right, and if you check the description box below, you will see a link to a free ebook. Do grab one for yourself. It's a natural DIY skincare recipe ebook. Get one for yourself, it's free. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.